Hey, what's up, Kisho holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of Kisho. My friends, I believe you will be feel very happy after watching this interesting video. I'm very happy at this time to Kisho, my friends. Now you think at this time that the price is fast down. The price is continuously fast down, fast down, fast down from the previous last 1 month. So how you feel happy, my friends? But I'm very happy. And I believe you will be very happy after watching this interesting video. So keep watch this video till the end. And remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates. My friends, you will be feel very happy after watching this interesting video. So keep watch, my friends. Anyways, my friends, if we look the latest update of the Kisho at this time, so now the price of the Kisho at this time is 0. But that's not mean that the exit price of the Kisho is 0. No, the price is very low. That's why the 0 showing here, my friends. And if you look the price change, so according to the Kisho, so absolutely, my friends, the whole change is negative. Last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole changes occur in the Kisho is negative at this time, my friends. So I'm very happy to see this kind of case occur in the Kisho. You know what? When I see the rate price, so I'm feeling very happy because I know the cryptocurrencies rules, how cryptocurrencies work. And I also told you in my many videos that after a falls, there is a jump. If they falls down 100%, so tomorrow they will goes upward 200%. That is the rules of the free coin cryptocurrencies market, my friends. That's how people get profit from the cryptocurrencies market. That now at this time the price is falls down 100%, so tomorrow will the price move upward 200%. Now you can see here if we look the last 1 month price chart, so now at this time the from the previous last 2 weeks the price of Kisho is fast down, my friends. And now at this time, on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of my personal research, my prediction, my personal prediction is that about Kisho, that Kisho will take the huge pump in the start of June, especially on the 1st June. That is my prediction about Kisho. What you think about Kisho? Please share your opinion and prediction in the comment box. And remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, because ABS Tech channel give you updates which is very important for all of you, my